Hello, Matthew wanted me to sing this. There's this kid named Matthew. He dared me to sing this and then show it to Emily to embarrass myself, blah, blah, blah. Here we go. What's up with wait, what's the script? Let me check the script. Okay, here we go. Stop it! I'm gonna freak out of it! Stop it! You never want to see me! At 10:03, I freak out! Oh my God! Ow! Oh God! Never see me again at 10. Oh, it's 10:04. It is a nice night. Thank you.